Sabre de Raph akopiem e wo ye Nogokpo obusua Raph adwena to na nanom an wo se Sabre de nanom enka na asema man if say ono de on so animal so an
entro ni de obecho de tirasa I phone de obejo de tirasa any de obejo de tirasa
because the mo be kaya Raph any rich hospital e wo beef bi e koso critical one wa bra Raph accuse rich hospital nurses ni say there be almost services to patients over there na very poor na videos ba bontin na nurse ni ba ko ka say Raph etimi ama no shoulder dislocation say na basa ne hwan afri ba bi e wo no akoto ba bi a eni kwase koto ema ensem bebre bubuja Raph kra ba ebe ye life ka say nurse ni hwe no hu yi anyesa ono de obebo ne dua.
They don't know what is coming.
Now, aside that for news, no, Minister for Health, Abushia, Honorable Kwabena Minta Akando, and so no one say be brother say as incident no kocha Raph that day a lot more. So really Raph say, I already say the we are working with me be no naka so be bold ya name na Nogokpo no kwa big news there be it is Sabre ya me no ka say the Raph akopim we Nogokpo trying to prove his innocence of the matter. Because we say there's the news wabono or more fan sign can be CCTV footage crab abontia a confirm say Raph and fan sign can nino. But ye die wa bre hu ye ne say incident na ba na trend no ye hu say UTV4 on your TV mo media house dey bebre e ko ye rich hospital wa nurse ni na ono accuse Raph say Raph ababe man shoulder dislocation na fe no honam nyina ye ne ya wanya body general pains and a lot more no busu Raph say there be cases abobo ni dua name mu dua bonu kra echi no sena Raph ante no hanse odwena kwoto na nanom ye Nogokpo nti enfoni ni twaguo no Raph ko ye ne ho aduru name o kire se nurse ni de wonyina yie because akwaji sika na wode ye saade ne dia den a lot more is in the news package no also because enye dua wonko a obo dua wie no ebia dua ne be take 2 years 3 years 4 years 5 years ansa na enyo what I say. And this story nankasa de me no understand because CCTV footage ebo I just say okay I say a survey a surveillance a survey the whole cancer hospital enya footage in a video showing say okay Raph ekoye bia na patients wo but why did bia ma bia sanuma no say adwuma bia na rules and regulations wo bia yenye dede wo we don't shout we don't do that we don't video na eno dia we understand say ebia punishment was o form no ebia Minister for Health and Ghana Police Service o meet na form na ebia obia charges bia o na call bia o no mo de about can say Raph but the news on said there be it doesn't happen like that. The news is that this nurse is accusing Raph and what you said there be Raph no particularly the nsake kan no na Raph so want to because nurse ni person what this shoulder dislocation and everything at the counter omo poor service omo fan wo sana Raph ebe kan wabra na CCTV surveillance video no ba bonti na Raph be life no nsema Raph kan no say there be this nurse no the whole thing is in pretense and say what jiska and on person omo twen Raph na so and Raph no people know him to be people even classify him as a National Democratic Congress member say we NDC because tamana na do was on abusuan he did a lot of things bashing the government going into the National Cathedral and then breaking the the walls and all that blocking the road and enti nkofo bibresu say bia honorable Kwabena Minta Akando Minister for Health no abra the incident ni see ya we share Raph won ntimi gina say have a chit chat no nkofo bibresu say okay ebi wa fa no normal thing on saba won ba be classify no dey mum Sabre dey Raph see or proving the innocence in an unknown way. That is the news. It's trending on the social media. Make sure to follow this page, subscribe to our platform on YouTube, and don't forget to always come back and watch us. Hi, Karma Studios. Now go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. I'm finally out.